Welcome to Upgrade. I'm your host, Frank the Tank. Today we're going to bring a RIDGID tile cutter and we're going to take a look at it and see how well it works. And we're going to see if it's even worth it. You know, there's plenty of lineups of more expensive units, but we end up choosing this and we're going to see how it works and we'll come back.
So this is a RIDGID tile cutter that I chose. You don't need the most expensive one to start. It's only $2.99 at Home Depot. And I think this is up to 24-inch that you can cut on the length.
So 24-inch length cut of tile.
And
thickness?
You can cut up to 3/4 thickness.
Up to 3/4 thickness.
No,
now,
sorry.
And
no, way more.
Way more than 3/4 thickness? Okay. Now, if you guys notice, a diamond blade saw.
It has a sliding guide.
It has a sliding guide. Recommended put water in here.
Yes.
Very cool. Right now we're going to do a little demo with this little tile, and look at the thickness of it. How thick is this tile?
1/2 inch.
1/2 inch thickness, right? And it's what material is this? You would say
ceramic tile.
Ceramic tile, right? So we're going to do a little demo. We're going to see how it works.
Okay, we're going to take only a 60 now, because we like to be too precise on this.
Look at what the tile machine did right now. So Jimmy threw all this together with the tile machine. He cut it. First time ever setting up his own tile. So not a very good job on this, setting up your own tile. And now with his precise cut, we're gonna set it up.
So you put your thinset.
Like peanut butter and jelly sandwiches.
Almost like making a sandwich. It's not that hard.
Because he's first time.
Put the tile in. Make sure it's nice snug in there. You got the little dividers. Now we're gonna do a precise cut. If you guys see the pencil lines, this is what we're gonna do. We're gonna cut it here and then we're gonna end it up here. But the blade, you gotta stop it right before the end, because if you don't, you're gonna end up passing it and then you're gonna have to cover it with some more of the tint.
Yeah.
So
The
tinsel, the drought. So here we go. See how precise it is. I'm gonna get a little back. There you go. There's your cut. Now let me talk a little bit about the machine. First of all, this machine has first of all, the machine itself, if you see the stuff, it's 120 volts, all right? So remember that you're gonna need a good connection. You need water, retaining water in there. The slider, water pumps right there. If you guys can see it, the water actually pumps the water into the system itself, and it pours down in the blade, so keeping it cool. And it recycles the water, so just remember to change it out if it gets super dirty. Clean it after you do it, or it's gonna stain your actual plastic. And just remember that always keep debris off the rails too. Make sure that there's no debris or pieces of it, any of the tile stuff, or it's gonna jam the whole thing and it might actually not get a precise cut because of that. So. And look at that, guys, the precise cut right there. You guys can see it. Perfect fit now after marking it, penciling it, and that's how it's supposed to be. right, guys, we're gonna do a little test of the sound first. We're gonna turn it on. If you guys can see, I'm gonna put it a little closer. We're at 40 to 60. All right, so we're gonna turn it on first. Go ahead and turn it on, Jimmy. We're up to 70 now. I'm gonna do one little piece to cut it down. So go ahead. We hit up to 80 almost. If you guys see dBs, we hit up to 80 on maximum audio, so not that bad. I mean, we if you guys could go back and see it, our maximum was 84 decimals per second, all right, and the average is 71, so we hit maximum 84. All right, guys, so I hope you guys enjoy the RIDGID tile cutter back here. So if you guys like stuff like this, let me know. I'm your host, Frank the Tank, and we're out.